Hi guys, welcome to this session in Google Sheets. In this module, I want to show you how you can automatically populate today's date as a date stamp dependent on a trigger cell. So on the screen, I've got a column in column B there where I've got enrolled and pending. If I change pending to enrolled, automatically today's date gets put in column C. Now that is a date stamp. It will not change. It will always be to that date, today's date. Same with that one if I do that, whichever one you do. So I want to recreate this. I'll just copy this name column and put it over the other side. I'll put it into column E. Okay, so I need data validation in this area. So I'm going data validation. That's the range. So I'm adding a rule and I've got two options there. So I'll just put enrolled in the top one and pending in the bottom one. Give them a color each. So I'll go enrolled can be green, pending can be red. That's all I want. Clicking done there. So there's my little list. So I'll just do a couple and then you can see how it works. Like so. Now let's get rid of that. What I need to do here is an if statement. So I'm going to use an if and I'm going to use the text function and the today function. The today function, if I just type it in here, equals today with an open and close bracket like that, that will give you today's date. That's a computer clock. The text function will convert that into text, so it will stay as that. And then the if function has a test, what to do if it's true, what to do if it's false. So that's what I'm going to do in column G. So it's equals if, open the bracket on the if. Then I need to click on this cell. So if that equals enrolled, and that needs to go in quotes, close quotes. So if that equals enrolled, comma, now this is the text function, text, open the bracket on the text. Then I'm typing today with an open and close bracket, comma, and with the text function, what you do now is put the format that you want it to be. So in quotes, I want it to be DD, days, forward slash, MM, months, forward, and then 4 Ys, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the year. Close the quotes, close the bracket for the text, comma, this is the if again now. So if it doesn't say enrolled, so if it's either pending or blank, I want it just to be left blank. So quote will do that, and then close the if bracket at the end. So then if I press enter on that, it's asking me, do I want to fill this down? So it's basically finding all enrolled. I do want to fill it down like that. So if I select enrolled there and there, it just puts it in as soon as I select that. And those dates will not move. The today function on its own will move. So that would be the 26th tomorrow, and it would say that. But when you put it inside the text function, it changes it to text and it is a stamp. It will stay there. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can get dates to automatically be entered from a triggered cell, in this case enrolled. So hopefully that was of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.